Alright. Hey guys, today we are going to be doing good slime versus bad slime.
Yep. Alright.
Alright.
Let's see what's in
Let's
there.
do rock, paper, scissors.
Alright.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh.
I keep going first.
Ah.
No.
Alright, let's see what you got.
Alright. Let me see if I want to keep it or I want to switch it. I want to keep mine. I'm going to keep mine.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh.
This is my slime.
Did you make that?
Yep.
Yep. How'd you make it?
What?
You put little balls in it?
Yeah. Made it hard. Yeah.
Oh. Got stuck to her pants.
We didn't.
Ruined another pair of pants, guys. Don't we love slime, though? Alright, do I get to go now?
I have to show the video. Alright. Comment down below if you think this is good slime or bad slime. Comment down below in our channel. 744-7366 and send it down to our video.
Yep.
And try to find out if it's bad slime or good slime. Look away. Yeah, look away. Look away. I have to look in your cup and see if it's a bad slime or good slime.
What is it?
I'm not telling you. Close your eyes.
My eyes are closed.
Alright, ready?
Alright. Oh, I'm so excited, guys. So excited.
Alright, do you want to switch or you want to keep it?
I want to keep it. I'm nervous. Oh! Noise putty. I think we got this at Michael's.
Yeah, we did.
Or maybe the dollar store. I don't know.
We got Michael's.
Oh, we got it at Michael's. And my daughter gets everything at Michael's.
Slime and squishies are there.
She just throws things in the cart, and then when I get up there to pay, I have all this extra stuff. Look, they call it noise putty because it farts.
That is stretch it.
Oh. Apparently I don't know how to do slime. And you can like stretch it kinda.
He got the bad slime.
What?
Yeah, you got the bad slime because see when
Why is it bad? Well, I guess I lost. But if you go slow, you can stretch it. Watch.
Make it funny now.
I don't know what she's talking about, guys.
Because they're doing it slow. He's
It's
cheating.
like a snake.
He's cheating.
Apparently I'm a cheater.
Look at my side.
We'll see your stretch.
Huh?
We'll see your stretch. Yours isn't stretchy slime.
Oh.
I guess it is kind of stretchy.
See? Well, I just want to look at it. Watch out!
Gee, she's always hogging the camera.
Here's it is. Here's the slime. And look, even whatever, I don't care. It's gonna sit on the table.
Oh yeah, it's just my table.
Yeah. So you guys can look at my face. Doesn't look very good there. It looks like I'm looking that way, but I'm looking straight.
Yeah. Tell them about your new shoes you got today.
What?
Tell them about your new shoes. She just tweeted on film. Great. Now the whole world can see that she toots.
Look, see how stretchy it is.
Jeez, you're still farting?
Daddy, you see how far that stretched?
Yeah. Don't stand on the table. Get off the table.
Now look.
Whoa.
Stop farting it.
Sorry, my daughter's gassy.
That's not me. That's the slime. Don't listen to him, guys.
Yeah, and the bad thing about that slime is it gets those little balls all over the house. And it sticks to your clothes.
It does not stick to your clothes. Watch.
Yes, it does.
Look, Daddy. Look at your pants when I do this. Watch.
No, don't do it to my pants. Oh!
Let me give you a video. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. See, guys?
No!
See? Show them. Show them. Show them what you've done. Yep. That is what happens, guys. Now it's in her hair. Look. It's in her hair. Great. We're going to have to cut her hair off.
No! Stop saying that to me.
Oh.
I'm going to stick this on you.
All right, stay tuned, guys. The next show, we're cutting her hair off.
No!
And we're burning her pants. Oh! No.